What's up, guys? This is Gerson with Shalom G Construction. Just a quick video to show you guys how to do a hood vent or a microwave vent in the roof. So basically you lift a fuel roof shingle and then you drill the hole, obviously. And this is a vent specific for roof. So I'm gonna put the on the description, I'll put the model and the brand, and then you sit the vent on top of the like the last one here, and then you put silicone underneath. You put tape, like it can be ice and water shield, or it's the same product, right? Some window tape. And then you cut the shingles around and nail them. So that's basically what it is. Please don't forget to leave thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.